Buying commercial real estate for your business or as an investment is exciting. But before you make the leap, make sure you avoid surprises with the help of a title insurance agency. Here's what you need to know.
Here at Zwiren Title Agency, we perform title insurance services and settlement services for parties that are buying and refinancing real estate. We ensure the ownership interest of the buyer and the first lien hold interest or second lien hold interest of the lender. And we make sure to disclose to them what is impacting title and let them know what it is exactly that we can insure. Sometimes within the title searches, you can find restrictions or easements and other information that impacts use. And every buyer of real estate wants to go into that purchase informed.
There are many interesting case studies in this regard.
One of my favorite case studies is where we were helping a buyer purchase an apartment complex. The seller's family had been in title for over 60 years and obtained part of the real estate from the municipality. But there were some things that were not done to finalize that conveyance from the municipality, and we helped everyone get over the finish line to get all of the property they were expecting. Another example I like to share is a commercial buyer was purchasing a sand and gravel pit, and we had to search back to the mid-1800s because we knew that was around the time frame that mining and mineral rights were conveyed in that locality. When we did our searches, we found that 1 acre of this very large sand and gravel pit actually was not eligible for use for the sand and gravel pit purposes. Having searched the property for over 150 years, they knew that we uncovered all that there was to find and felt that the risk of purchasing with the restriction was very limited compared to not knowing.
There's a big difference between a title agency and a title company.
A title company does provide direct services to end consumers and only represents its own risk analysis, whereas a title agency often has contracts with several title companies, and we can represent a buyer or lender's interest in getting to the best possible risk position through negotiating with the various carriers. We have contracts with 3 national insurance carriers.
Paula also wants to help commercial real estate buyers avoid some common misconceptions and eliminate assumptions.
One of the common misconceptions about title insurance is that we insure the survey. We actually show exceptions on our policy for those items that show on the survey as a potential title issue. Statistically speaking, title problems are known to happen in 25% of transactions. Our job is to help clean up those problems prior to getting to closing and identifying specifically what the problem is as well as how to resolve it. Something that many of our clients find important is the credentials that I have. These credentials are not required to be in title insurance, but I've been fortunate enough to have the opportunity to get them, including a law degree, an MBA, and a certification called a Certified Title Professional. I have to say, I know title insurance isn't the most exciting thing in the world, but I really love what we do.
For more information about Zwiren Title Agency, visit their website at zwirentitle.com. And of course, visit our website, insidetheblueprint.com.